Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a YouTube subscriber counter on Discord in just a few minutes. This is an amazing way to keep track of your subscriber count in real time and share your milestones directly with your community. First, open Discord in your web browser and log into your account. From your homepage, select the server where you want to display the YouTube subscriber counter. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to install new applications on this server. Next, click on the settings gear icon on the left-hand side to access your server settings. Here, find and click on the app directory option. This is where you can browse and add applications to enhance your Discord experience. In the search bar, type StreamTicker, which is the app we'll be using to display your subscriber count. Once you find StreamTicker, click on it to open its page, then hit Add App. Follow the prompts to authorize the app and grant it the necessary permissions. This allows StreamTicker to function properly and show your YouTube subscriber count directly within your Discord server. And that's it. In just a few steps, your YouTube subscriber counter is up and running. This setup not only keeps you updated on your growth, but also keeps your community engaged by showcasing your milestones in real time. Thanks for watching. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to grow your Discord and YouTube communities.